News stories are typically structured using what's called the inverted pyramid style. The most important information, your who, what, when, where, why, and how, is found at the top of the pyramid. Now, as you move down, you add supporting information and key quotes. Then add additional facts, information, and quotes. Then maybe you'll include some background information. Then more details. And more details. And even more details to finish out the story. Now, the purpose of the inverted pyramid is to stack the most important parts of the story at the top and continue down in descending order of importance. News is written so readers can stop reading when they've satisfied their curiosity, without worrying that important information is being held back. Now, it's also written that way so that copy editors can quickly trim a story to fit the available space without cutting something important. If you need to cut 4 paragraphs from a story so it will fit in the newspaper, an editor then doesn't need to reread the whole story to find the least important details. They are always at the bottom. These scissors represent places that the copy editor could cut the story if needed. Now, Hicks has some really great examples of news structure in the textbook, so be sure to read them.